Hi, wanna know how to change lock screen wallpaper on your Vivo X100 Pro? So, as a first step here, we would need to go to our home screen and hold our finger on any empty place until you'll get to this editing menu. As a next step, click on this button which is saying Wallpapers, and here scroll to the end until you'll find these three dots. Click on them and you'll get to the application name of which is Themes, and here you'd be able to find a lot of suggested wallpapers and also live wallpapers and static. But if you would like to set your custom photo as a wallpaper, we would need to click on this image icon on the right upper corner. Here you would need to select the photo from your gallery. Here you can zoom it in, zoom it out, and just set the part of photo that you would like to see as your wallpaper. And the most important part, that here you need to choose, instead of the home screen wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper, and then click confirming icon. Now you can see that our wallpaper has been applied successfully, and let's check it out. And here is how it looks. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.